Okay, I'm going to explain the toggle mode of the conversation styles that Bing AI supports. So I have the Bing app open. Down in the bottom center, you see the chat bubble with the Bing icon in the middle of it. I kind of like that. It looks neat. I'm going to click that. We've entered Bing chat. And you can see that there are three options. The middle one is highlighted, the blue, the more balanced. I'm going to select the more creative first. And the creative will take some facts and put a lot of fluff around it. That's the best way I can describe it. And the thought here is that you're not just reading this for information. You may be taking this and using it as content. So kind of helps write some of the stuff for you if that's what you need, or you may want to have some relative context, maybe something to help you understand it a little bit better. This is going to vary depending on what you're searching for. So I'm going to take the same search phrase here and do it 3 times, and we'll see what the 3 different modes yield. So the search phrase is going to be, when did Microsoft first enter the mobile market? So let's switch it on over. Then let's paste in our phrase. I'm going to speed it up. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time. It goes out and does searches. You see here that it's pulled from 2 sources, and it's provided a whole bunch of information here. And buried in here, you can see down towards about 2/3 down, you can see it finally mentions in the final third, it finally mentions when they first entered the market. So, okay, I've closed Bing and opened Bing back up, and I'm going to do the same thing. Let's get the old chat thing up. Let's switch over to more balanced. Let's paste in that search phrase. Let's speed it up so you don't have to wait. Now, Bing just pulled from one source. Interesting. So some of the fluff came from Wikipedia, which makes sense because Wikipedia can be reliable or it can not be reliable. So maybe here in this, as we're getting more balanced to being more precise, we're going to drop Wikipedia. Okay. So same thing. Let's close. Now I'm closing so that I lose context and it has to start fresh with the same search phrase and not have any previous context to be basing the same question that it's getting over and over, just changing its conversation style. Although I do believe switching conversation style does change the instance that you're working in, and thus you're in a new context. But let's start it up, click it, switch it over to precise, paste in what we want. Now these should be as factual as they come. Speed it up. You don't need to watch this. Now it tells me there are 3 more sources that it used. The main source that it's used for all 3 of these. A little less content, a little more information than the balanced, but as you can see, the content's a lot less. So that's just one demonstration. I will do some more and try to get some things that are just like precise fact and see what kind of creative it can throw around it. I'm thinking math type stuff. So thanks for watching.